In a city built like a giant maze, millions of rats wake up every day to work for cheese. In this world, cheese is money. Everything they do, running, competing, surviving, revolves around it. But one rat, Freddy Rat, was different. Born in a tiny corner of the maze, he saw the endless running, the stress, the fear, and he asked a simple question.
Why are we all working for cheese? Why does it control everything? Why is it so important? Who decided this race? And why does it feel like the maze never ends?
That same day, Freddy stopped running, not because he was slow, but because he realized something. The maze wasn't meant to be beaten by speed. It was designed to keep rats working and running forever. The real trap wasn't the cheese itself. It was how they had been taught to value it. Freddy began learning the secrets of cheese. Some pieces lose value, some are fake, and some, if used wisely, can create even more cheese. He wasn't chasing or working for cheese anymore. He was understanding how the cheese system really works. And that's how rat finance was born. Freddy's mission became clear: to help every rat navigate the maze, grow their cheese, and stop running in circles for crumbs.
Hi, I'm Freddy Rat, and this is just the beginning. If you're tired of running in circles, if you want to understand cheese without complicated words, and if you want to grow your cheese instead of losing it, then welcome. You're in the right maze.
Join us in the next episode, where Freddy will teach you the basics of the cheese economy, and your journey to financial freedom will begin. And please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.